Hello everyone, I'm Wisdom Cube, and welcome back to another video of mine. Now, this is another list video, and today, in the spirit of Halloween, I'm going to be listing off a couple of villains that I believe that Jigsaw from the Saw film franchise would target. Now, let's begin. First, William Afton from the Five Nights at Freddy's franchise. Yes, I'm pretty sure that if Jigsaw and William existed in the same universe, if Jigsaw found out about William's various crimes, especially when it came to the Freddy Fazbear pizzerias, and the many children lost, I'm pretty sure Jigsaw would target him. And would William be able to get out of Jigsaw's traps? Well, it's all a matter of if he's intelligent enough, which I'm pretty sure William Afton is intelligent enough, but Jigsaw's traps are pretty crazy, and it takes a strong will to survive those traps. Like, you have to be willing to do anything just to survive, and I do mean anything. Anyway, on to number 2. That's Jeremy Blair from the game Outlast. The first Outlast game, mind you. Jeremy is the former head of a company called the Murkoff Corporation, and given what happened at Mount Massive Asylum in the first game, Blair is pretty much dead. Have you seen his reaction to getting attacked by the Wall Rider? This swarm of nanites that are kind of like a ghost in a way, but require a host to control. It's the whole thing. I don't think Blair is going to be able to make it. Now, on to number 3. Howard Wesker from the Resident Evil franchise. Oh boy, this probably might be my favorite one. Now, this will be quite the challenge for Wesker. Again, if he is captured, capturing Wesker is going to be quite the challenge in and of itself. But let's say, for the sake of argument, Wesker does get captured by Jigsaw. Oh boy, I can only imagine the type of traps he would test Wesker in. Oh boy. Anyway, if he does end up getting trapped, then Wesker's intelligence will be put to the test alongside his massive ego. Oh boy. Now on to hold on a sec. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Now on to number 4. Hawkmoth from Miraculous Ladybug. Yes, if Gabriel is captured by Jigsaw, it'll be quite the challenge for him. Now, let's get something out of the way, because I know someone's probably going to comment on this. Would Jigsaw be able to figure out Hawkmoth's identity? Well, it's possible, considering that how he tracks down his victims and how he's able to build those traps. I'm pretty sure he would figure out Gabriel's identity, and if he did, Gabriel's on the chopping block for him. But I don't think, personally, John will care about that. I don't think he would care about Gabriel's identity, but if he did, oh boy. Oh boy. That's all I can say on that. Number 5. Mr. Burns from The Simpsons. Oh man. Mr. Burns is so evil that he would be terrified that I don't think he can bribe his way out of whatever trap Jigsaw creates for him. Yep, that's it. He done. Now, aside from that, would Mr. Burns be smart enough to figure out a way to get out of Jigsaw's traps? Well, it's all a matter of if he doesn't panic. Yeah, if he doesn't panic, then he's good. But I don't think Mr. Burns will be able to survive any of Jigsaw's traps. He's just that selfish. And if he had to, be forced to hurt himself, like some of the victims of Jigsaw have in the past, I don't think he would go for it. Now on to the last entry. Number 6. Michael Myers from Halloween. Yes, finishing off this list, I'm putting the Haddonfield shape on Jigsaw's chopping block. Yeah. If Michael Myers was captured by Jigsaw, I'm pretty sure Myers is smart enough to escape the trap he ends up in. And given his lack of, reaction to anything, he shrugged off a lot. Explosions, gunshots, falls from buildings, you name it, Michael Myers has probably survived it and lived to tell a tale. Oh boy. And I'm pretty sure that once Michael gets out of that trap, he's going to be coming for Jigsaw personally. As long as Jigsaw isn't in Haddonfield, he's good. Oh boy. So, that's my list. What do you guys think? Who do you guys think that Jigsaw would target? Any villain, or anti-hero, or just hero in general? I'm not picky. Just what the list is about. Just comment below, let me know. I'm Wisdom Cube. I'll see you all next time, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. Bye!